Miss Dani, she is a very popular SBS actor. Please put your hands together for Dani. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Irish Chetri. She is also a famous Assamese female actor. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you one of our budding talents from Assam. She is Mimamshi Borua. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have two male gorgeous models. We have Anshit Upadhyay, who has just done a beautiful Assamese movie, and we have model from Bombay. He has done runway for Times Group. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you gorgeous, enchantress, beautiful, and multi-talented actress from Assam, none other than beautiful and gorgeous Preeti Kankana. She's from Diphu. Please put your hands together for Guwahati. I would request Miss Preeti Kankana to please take her to the center stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Preeti Kankana and Vijayalakshmi Pukar. Everybody to stay on stage for a picture. Girls and boys, please join for the picture. I would request. Everybody on stage for the picture. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Tik Tik. I am the stylist and choreographer for this show. And we have Zanir and Bobby for makeup, and we have Korobi. We have Korobi from the backstage. I don't know. Dhani, we have Dhani. Dhani, please join us. Please join us for the picture. Hanta Kardon.
This journey. First of all, namaskar, thank you. মই প্ৰীতি কংকনা, অসমৰ ছোৱালী, অসমৰ জীয়ৰী, অসমৰ বোৱাৰী, আপোনালোকৰ ছোৱালী। কাৰ্বি ইউথ ফেষ্টিভেলত Taralangsor বহুত বহুত শুভেচ্ছা ধন্যবাদ আজি ইয়ালৈ মাতি অনাৰ বাবে মৰম দিয়াৰ বাবে আৰু সন্মান দিয়াৰ বাবে সদায় চাই থাকিব মৰম দি যাব আৰু আশীৰ্বাদ দি যাব খুব ভাল লাগিছে this has been my third year in youth festival Karbi Anglong Taralangso and this has been an amazing journey as well আৰু এইবাৰো খুব ভাল লাগিছে ইমান ভিৰ দেখি মানুহৰ মই খসকে শক খাই গৈছিল প্ৰথমতে ইমান ভিৰ আৰু it's a like complimentary occasional like কি বুলি কওঁ আমি এটা সংযোজন য'ত মিউজিক ভাষা culture কলা কৃষ্টি fashion food everywhere everything is accumulated in a same field same place with the same heart so thank you all joy ayafam thank you
Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. And now at this point in time, let's not